So this video is about what to do if someone else claims your child. Hello, I'm Black Vito, the internet name I use to hide my internet activities from employers and potential dating options. But you don't care about that. You want to know what to do if your return got rejected because someone else claimed you're dependent. But first, just a little bit about myself. I'm a tax specialist. I'm a former manager and supervisor at a Jackson Hewitt tax service, and I'm a failed YouTuber. There are a couple possible reasons why the rejection notice says that someone else already claimed you're dependent, but I'm going to address the most urgent possibility first, which is someone is stealing the identity of your dependent, and you need to contact the IRS as soon as possible. By the way, there might be other people you need to contact with this matter as well. I'm just focusing on the tax aspect, right? However, the more common cause is that this is the time of year when separated parents are rushing to file their tax returns before the other one so that they can get all of the tax benefits that come with claiming a child. So first and foremost, if you have the legal right to claim your child above all other people, it doesn't matter who files the dependent before you, even if that person is the other parent. However, you need to make sure that you have the legal right to claim your child above all other people. That is kind of beyond the scope of this video, but I'll touch on it briefly. The person who can claim the child is usually the person with legal custody of the child, the person who the child lives with the longest, and the person who takes care of the child the most. Now, this can get a little bit more complicated than just that, but once again, this is beyond the scope of the video. If that is the case and the other parent or person claims the child on their tax return before you file your tax return, and as a consequence, your tax return gets rejected, all you have to do is do your return like you normally do it, but instead of sending it to the IRS electronically, aka e-filing, you print the finished return and then send the paper copy to the IRS. The IRS will do an investigation to see who has the right to claim the child above all other people. And given that I am assuming that you are that person, you will eventually get the deductions and credits that come from claiming that child. And here's the fun part. The other person or parent will have to pay back all of the money they received if they received any money for their tax return, and they may even have to pay penalties for filing that child. So if you are that person who claimed that child that you're not entitled to claim by law, enjoy the money while it lasts, because you're going to have to pay it back. So in short, mail the finished return to the IRS if you got rejected because someone else claimed your dependent whom you are entitled to claim above all people. This video is a little bit shorter than my videos typically, but I am trying to spend less time editing videos and more time working. But anyway, goodbye.